This property is in Stone Creek, which is right next to one of the best schools in the entire country, Whispering Oaks, winner of the Blue Ribbon Award. You're not gonna wanna miss this home. It's gonna be a good one for you and your family. Come check it out. At the heart of the home, you'll find a spacious open concept family room and kitchen, creating the perfect gathering space for family and friends. The seamless layout offers plenty of room to cook, dine, relax, and stay connected. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, providing plenty of space for family members and guests alike. The spacious primary suite offers a private retreat with an ensuite bathroom, dual vanities, and a large walk-in closet. Also upstairs is a versatile loft space. Whether you need a home office, media room, play space, or fitness space, this loft gives you endless possibilities. Step outside and discover one of the home's standout features, a large backyard with plenty of room for outdoor entertaining, outdoor play, or simply enjoying Florida's beautiful weather. Location is another major advantage. You'll be just minutes from Whispering Oak Elementary School, a national Blue Ribbon school, Winter Garden Village, Hamlin Town Center, and historic downtown Winter Garden. If you've been searching for space, flexibility, and an incredible location, this is a home you won't want to miss.